Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I've got 10 beautiful pet tapes to show you from the Washi tape shop. We'll be taking a closer look at each tape and exploring the artwork, and I'll also give you some ideas how to use them in your creative journal spreads. Then at the end of the video, I'll show you 2 completed spreads I've created using some of the tapes, so you can see how they look in a finished project. I'm going to unwrap them all and then I'll show you each one. This first tape is absolutely adorable. This is a pre-cut tape featuring the cutest collection of colourful cats, all hanging and playing along a piece of string. The artwork is so playful and full of personality. Each cat has its own unique expression and pose. What I really love about this tape is not just the cats. Scattered throughout the tape are little tiny stickers, and they're so cute. Because the elements are pre-cut, it's going to make it so easy to decorate journal spreads. I think this tape would work beautifully in weekly spreads, memory keeping layouts, themed journals, or any project you want to add a fun, cheerful pop of colour. Honestly, if you're a cat lover, this tape is hard to resist. It's colourful, whimsical and packed with charming little details that make you smile every time you look at it. This tape can be bought on its own or part of a bundle with the next one that I'm going to show you. The next one is a perfect companion to the first one. Like the first tape, this is a colourful pre-cut pet tape featuring adorable collections of cats, but this time the design is arranged horizontally with the cat stretched along the string. The artwork is just as playful and charming, and I love how each cat has its own personality and expression. It's such a fun design and instantly adds a cheerful touch to any journal spread. Surrounding these cats are loads of little stickers, and they're different from the first tape, which makes these two tapes work beautifully together without feeling repetitive. One of the things I really like is that you can use these tapes individually or combine them both together for larger scenes and clusters around your journal pages. Both of these tapes will be released on the 1st of July and they'll be available to purchase either separately or as a matching set. Next I've got this washi tape. This is a washi tape material and it's got a beautiful gold gilding in the designs. You've got trees and houses. Absolutely stunning this. This washi tape comes as a set. It comes with the next one that I'm going to show you in a minute. Get so much on a roll. That's a good thing about washi tape shop. You always get so much on a roll. So I'll show you the next one, and you get this one, and these two come as a set. This one's beautiful as well, isn't it? I really like this tape. Got the little elements all the way around. I really like the trees. Trees are beautiful. This tape has a really delicate colour palette. It's beautiful. I think this tape would be perfect to decorate a bullet journal with. I love this tree. Look at the houses and the barn. All the tapes that I'm showing you today, I will put the links in the description box for you, as well as my discount code. This next tape is called Summer Bazaar, and this one has such a fun and creative concept. This beautiful pet tape is packed with beautiful fruits, vegetables, baskets, crates and market stalls, all designed to work together so you can create your own little market scenes. What makes this tape especially clever is many of the elements can be layered, so you can place the fruits and vegetables in the baskets and crates and on the market stands to make it look like they're being displayed at a farmer's market. I can imagine spending ages mixing and matching all the pieces because there's so many possibilities with this one. Every spread could end up completely looking different. If you enjoy creating little scenes in your journal, I think you're going to have so much fun with this one. The next tape I'm going to show you, you can buy them both together, and this one is called the Summer Market, and you get so much on the rolls. So let's have a look at this one. I'll move these out of my way. This one is a pre-cut tape. I love this one. You get loads of plants on this tape. Got things like gates, I love this shelf, and you can put the little jars on the shelf. This is a lovely one. Got signs. It's got a rustic feel to this one. I love these carts. Got so many different things. Oh, I love this dresser. You can put these little things on the shelves. We've got this one and some gardening things. These are lovely tapes, these. I will be creating a creative journal spread with this tape in the future, so subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on that one. This next tape is called Marple Cafe, and it's wide pet tape this, and it's pre-cut. I'm going to show you a piece that I've cut off. So you've got some little cafes. I love these lights. You've got all scenery things. Got all little elements. I love this big one. Oh, look at this one. Got so many different stickers on this. Love this flower shop. Could make a lovely scene in your journal with these. You've got pavements and trees. I love all these little bits. I like this shop here. And the street lights and this table and chairs. So this is the Marple Cafe tape. And the next tape I'm going to show you goes with this one. Right, the next one is called Journal Nook, and this one has got ladies, loads of little journals, little flowers and pots. Got some shops. This is lovely. Got cakes, got drinks. These girls are beautiful. I like that journal. Got a coffee machine. It's a really nice tape, this. This would go really nice with the tape I've just shown you. I love the colour palette as well. So you can buy this as a set with the other one or on its own. The next tape is called Civic Green, and this is a wide pet tape and it's pre-cut. And I love this one because it's got a little chihuahua on it here, and she looks like my little chihuahua. And this has got all different stickers on this one. We've got girls and we've got flowers and we've got signs and shops, girls sat on a bench. The theme is like a park, so you can make all different scenes. And you've got loads of little dogs on this one. It's beautiful. I like how you've got things like the pavement and the little fences and flowers. You can make lovely scenes. I am going to show you at the end of the video a spread that I've created using this tape. And if you get the next tape in the set, you can make even more scenes. The spread that I have created, I've used this tape and the next one I'm going to show you. And the next tape is called Urban Grove, and this is a wide pet tape, and you can buy it on its own or with the other one that I've shown you. And this one has got even more scenes. So you've got this one here, this is a beautiful sticker. You've got grass, you've got this beautiful cafe van, This is lovely. Got the skylines, got signs, got all sorts on this tape. Got street lights, birds, got this here. We've got dogs on this one as well, and girls. I had so much fun using this tape in the spread that I'm going to show you at the end of the video. Let me know in the comments section which tape is your favourite. I think this tape and the cat ones are my favourite. I've created a horizontal Dutch door spread using this tape, and I've also created a vertical Dutch door spread using the cat tapes. Carry on watching to see them two spreads. And that's a look at all the 10 beautiful pet tapes. I loved seeing the variety of themes and the artwork through all the different collections. If you enjoyed today's haul, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment and subscribe for more creative journaling inspiration. I am now going to show you a couple of spreads that I've created using a couple of these tapes. Here's the first spread that I created using the Civic Green pet tape and the Urban Grove pet tape, and I'm really happy how this one turned out. It's beautiful. I've done a horizontal Dutch door spread and I've done a beautiful big scene. The tape made it so easy to create this spread. You turn the page and you've got this on the back. I've done a pavement and the fence, and I did a girl and the dogs. As you can see, I've got a girl on the back of here, and I've done the flowers and the gate, and I've done this on this side, and then we've got the flower shop on this one, and I've got some bushes and flowers, and then I've put the flower shop on the back as well. And then we've got this scene up here. I love this little scene I've created. It's beautiful. Let me know in the comments section what you think of this spread. I'm really proud of this spread. I like it a lot. So that's that spread. And now I'm going to show you the next spread I created. This spread I've done in my 8x8 journal, and this one is using the kitty collection, and this is so fun, this one. I've done vertical Dutch doors with the cats, and then I've drawn some clouds to match that one, and I've coloured it in with some blue pen, and then I've added the little cat sat in the cloud, and I've done one up here as well. I've put these cats here. For the back of the Dutch doors, I had to cut the stickers to fit into the gaps, but it's turned out really nice. And then I've added another Dutch door, done some more hand-drawn clouds, and as you can see, there's little gaps, but it doesn't matter. I love this cloud. And this one. The tape made it so easy to create this spread, and it's so easy to hand draw clouds. I love this one. And I've got the raindrops coming off that cloud. I've done the blue lines on every page. I love how I've done this one. And these are cute. And then we've got the cats going down the side again. Let me know in the comments section, do you like this spread? I think it's very fun and colourful. And if you're a cat lover, you're definitely going to like this spread. If you want to get the kitty tapes, they're out on the 1st of July. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.